a fan. See? I'm going to the sky. Bye bye, friends. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm up in the sky. Hey guys. Oh no, I'm going to. Ouch, it hurts. Here we go again. Sonic, why would you do that? I think we should play soccer. Oh, hello. Soccer is the worst game ever. I see. I see. I see. I don't see it. Are you big fan of K-pop Demon Hunters? They're very weird. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Oh, I like this question block. Let me press it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, my cousin is here. Huh? Where did he go? He just disappeared and he's not here. That's kind of suspicious. Oh, silly Mario. He's just fast like me. Sonic is right. Look it up my star. Pure. You're just Super Mario Galaxy. Everyone, Grandma's here. Hey, Grandma. These people are messing with me. They're like, blah, 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 blah. Children. He is lying. We're just playing together. He meant to say we're deciding what to play. Holy crap.